The question is, why is he working so hard to demotivate people?
Those are things what you have to do. Are you doing the number of tests?
He is not
are you taking care of the people?
demotivating. He is suggesting the government.
Where is the PM's care fund going? I would like to know. There is no control of the PM's care fund.
You want some money? You want some money from the fund?
Today you are coming up with a statement stating that
May I speak?
the tests that are done, yes, the tests are not sufficient.
Provide money to the
we
state.
have to have more number of
to us.
tests.
I tell you, viewers, I get so exasperated sometimes with these people who don't have a solution, but who only crib and crib and crib. But I shall bring them in. But I shall also, I think I'd like Smita to have an opening remark on the other side, and then I'll open up the debate. I'll be very factual tonight. Yes, Smita. Yes, Smita.
It's the fact. You are not having the sufficient number of tests being done.
Yeah, so I found the
So let us increase the
press
number of
conference
tests.
pretty interesting. As a journalist, I appreciate any politician holding a press conference. Even though he's not officially the president of the Congress party, he's de facto heir apparent. So I guess you can say that, you know, he is de facto president of the party, and his voice is that of the Congress party. And of course, you know, one can campaign in poetry, but one has to govern in prose. So one really doesn't know that if he actually comes to a position of power, whether he can deal with these kind of crises, nobody really knows, because he's never held a position of any administrative position ever in his life. So one really doesn't know. He gives a lot of gyan, but what will he do if he's actually in a position? One really doesn't know. What I found disappointing is that he did not attack. He did not say anything about the attack on doctors. He didn't speak about the Markaz issue. What he did say about the lockdown, which I'll just come to that, sir. You talked about the lockdown. When he spoke about the lockdown being on a pause mode, he's apparently not in consultation with his own chief minister. He's obviously not spoken to Mr. Chidambaram, who actually said about the lockdown even before Mr. Modi said that there should be a lockdown. He's not spoken to Sachin Pilot. He's not talked about the Bhilwara model. He didn't talk to Amrinder Singh. He didn't talk to Uddhav Thackeray, who announced lockdown continuation even before Mr. Modi announced lockdown continuation. So, you know, when he talks about lockdown not being a solution, he doesn't understand that Kerala achieved almost a flattening of the curve. Bhilwara model achieved almost a flattening of the curve thanks to the lockdown. The chief ministers of these states are on the page with the prime minister. So I don't understand how Mr. Rahul Gandhi says that it is top down and not bottoms up. It is actually from the chief ministers that the idea has percolated.
Everyone is with the prime minister. Let me tell you that. Everyone is with the prime minister. You cannot say that nobody is against the prime minister.
Sir,
we are with the prime minister.
You didn't
and
hear
we are
Mr.
together
Rahul
with him
Gandhi.
on this fight.
He said that this is a top-driven idea. You obviously didn't listen to the press conference. In the press conference, Rahul Gandhi said that this was a top-down idea. And he showed the prime minister should be among the chief ministers and the district magistrates. He said that himself, that it was a top-down idea. And now you're telling me that it was chief minister's idea? Sir, you are obviously not listening to what Mr. Rahul Gandhi said.
Lockdown. You are misquoting him. Madam, you are misquoting. He is not against lockdown. He is not saying
He said it will not work.
Lift the lockdown.
He said it will not work.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.